We have with us Shri Dr. Vijay Yedula, Director Sports, Shri Vijay Kumar Swain, Additional Secretary, Dr. Lalit Banod, President SAF, Shri Ravinder Chaudhary, Sarvesh Koshare, Shri Abhijit Paul, Animesh Kujur and Shravani Nanda. Now I would like to request Dr. Lalit Banod to address the media.
The Chaudhary, our dear esteemed, Paul, and person from the media, on the behalf of the Federation, I welcome Games. Going to be held at Nagoya, Japan, in the end of September. So all the prominent athletes in the country, except those athletes who have been exempted by Athletic Federation of India on certain grounds, all others will be taking part here. We have approximately 26 athletes, states who are taking part in this competition. More than 600 athletes, precisely 637. Out of them, 124 athletes are international athletes, 18 are Olympian, approximately 20 athletes who are here are the national record holder of their event. So this event, although the government of Odisha has been declared the best government state who is supporting the athletic activity, we had the award function on 20th of this month at Delhi, and they were awarded for that as they are the best state government who are supporting the athletic in the country. And there you are aware that the first interstate indoor championship started from here only, and we are going to have the Asian Championship here, indoor Asian Championship, then the World Indoor Championship, and we are conducting almost 4 to 5 competitions every year at this venue. And I must be grateful to the government of Odisha that they are extending full help, and athletes are very happy to compete here because of the type of the track which has been relaid. Just they have completed the main stadium. Men 400 meter, men 100 meter, javelin throw. These are the events where you will see very good competitions, because we are expecting many athletes who will be running below 46 here in the next 4 days, 5 days. Apart from our pole vaulter who created new national record in the Federation Cup, 2 of them are here. Then your own athlete from Odisha, Shravani Nanda, they won the gold medal in 4x100 meter in the recently concluded Asian relays in China. Then Animesh is there, and the world's 6th position holder, Sarvesh, high jumper, he is also with us. This year, Athletic Federation of India has conducted lot of competitions, and at the end of the year, you will see that we will be able to complete more than 40 national level competitions in the different part of the country, and this was done to provide more competition to the athletes. We also change the qualification standard, enable more athletes to compete at their doorstep, and instead of traveling from Trivandrum to Bhubaneswar or to Delhi or to Punjab, or Punjab athletes going to Trivandrum or Bangalore, now they can compete close to their state, their training places, which will of course save their money, as well as it will also help them to reduce travel time. So everybody has seen the number of athletes competing in these competitions, because we are having the 16 series and we have already completed 12 series. We will again have the 4 more series which we will be conducting athletic series after this competition, and we will be announcing Indian team on the last day of the competition. So all the selection committee members will be also here. They will be witnessing the event, and the final team will be declared on the basis of their performances in this particular meet. Once again, I thank.
Are amongst with us today. Please give a big round of applause for Kuldeep and Dev. Now I would like to request Dr. Vijay Yadula, IAS.
As has been detailed out by Mr. Banod, this is a 5-day event, the 65th National Senior Competition, which is going to be hosted in Bhubaneswar. So there are nearly 45 events, both 22, both in men and women, and one mixed event is present. So we are having a good lineup of players coming from across the states. Nearly 630 athletes are participating, and we have a good contingent from Odisha. 228 players from Odisha are also participating, and we hope that there are good medal prospects coming from Odisha. There are 5 events in which we are hoping that we may win a medal. As you have recently seen and observed, that there is a very significant shift that is happening in the athletics ecosystem. I was just reading some article which has been sent by Mr. Adil Sumariwala. Nearly 20 records have tumbled in the last 3 months. So that is a very recent change that has happened from end of Feb to I think end of May. So this, as we are seeing, even in 100 meters, the record of 100 meters was broken in a span of 2 days. I guess thrice actually it was broken. And we are hoping that it will be broken again, and are accused for breaking our own records. So the way that the athletics have been progressing over the last 6 months is very, very hopeful, and a very nice picture is being given. So we hope that the same momentum that has been built up in the last 6 months will be continuing even throughout this. The technical officials, as well as for a lot of volunteers are there, and as has been placed on record by Mr. Banod, we have very recently laid down a new, in a record time, in fact the new athletic track that you will be able to see. I expect that all of you will go after this press conference. You please go visit the arena, FOP. You have a look at it, how beautifully that it has come up. In fact, the efforts put on by our infra team, by whole of the department in trying to days, I guess. It was done in less than 30 days. It was a record of sorts, considering the Gulf War that was there, the Iran war, the disruption that has happened, the logistical difficulties that we are facing. In spite of that one, to pull out such a feat is nothing less than a miraculous thing that has been done by our infrastructure team. In fact, kudos, and I appreciate all the efforts that have been put in by my team. We only hope that the stay is pleasant, the infrastructure that we have come up will be utilized for better, and every other athlete will show give their best in these competitions.
स्टेट और क्लब शामिल हो रहे ये कंपेरिजन में
Athletic meet है, national interstate. So only states can take part, no club can take part, no department can take part. There are 26 states who are taking part in this championship. क्योंकि इसके लिए क्वालिफिकेशन स्टैंडर्ड रखे गए थे, क्योंकि हमारा प्रयास ये रहता है कि जो अच्छे एथलीट हैं उन सबको अच्छा कंपटीशन मिले, ना कि उनको 4-5 बारी फाइनल में पहुंचने के लिए भागना पड़े। अगर एंट्री स्टैंडर्ड नहीं होंगे तो ज़्यादा लोग आएंगे, ज़्यादा एथलीट पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो कंपटीशन थोड़ा कमज़ोर पड़ जाता है। इसलिए क्वालिफिकेशन स्टैंडर्ड थे, उसके अनुसार 26 स्टेट से लोग क्वालिफाई कर आए हैं। केवल वही एथलीट यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं जिन्होंने क्वालिफिकेशन स्टैंडर्ड जो एथलेटिक फेडरेशन ने फिक्स किए थे, उन्होंने जो अचीव किया है इन द कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय एथलेटिक फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया। एंट्री आ गई, आपने हीट बना दिए, उसके बाद 20 लोग रिपोर्ट किए, जरा पैसे दिए होते हैं तो फिर जरा सोच समझ कर डालते हैं एंट्री। स्टेट्स को भी 500 रुपये पर इवेंट के लिए मैक्सिमम ऑफ 500 रुपीज अलाउ किया हुआ है। ये कम्पीट करता है, अगर वो बार बार करेगा तो वो रिकवरी नहीं कर पाएगा, वो अच्छा नहीं कर पाएगा। इस चीज़ को देखते हुए ऐसे इवेंट्स को अवॉइड करते हैं। जैसे एक एथलीट है डिकैथलॉन का, अगर डिकैथलॉन वो पूरी करता है तो उसको काफ़ी समय चाहिए उसकी रिकवरी के लिए, तो उसको हम इंसिस्ट नहीं कर रहे, जो ऑलरेडी क्वालिफाई कर गया भी आप भी आके दोबारा यहाँ पर करो, उसको इंसिस्ट नहीं करते।
who are really above senior level, there must be engaged with some department or some official engagement of their own. They must be serving somewhere. So they may be representing their own country, like railway.
No, this is interstate meet. I told you in the
Yes.
national championship. They can come there and compete and represent their departments.
ମୋର
But
ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ
as far as
ହେଉଛି
the athletic series are
ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ରୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ସିଏ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏନ୍ଓସି ନେଇକିନା ଏଠି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଟ୍ସ ଆନ୍ ପର୍ମାନେଣ୍ଟ ଏନ୍ଓସି ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ
ନାଇଁ ପାଲ ବାବୁ
ଏଠି
ଏଇଟା ପର୍ମାନେଣ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ ଆଥଲେଟ୍ ଫେଡେରେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଗାଇଡଲାଇନ୍ସରେ ଫର୍ 1 ଇୟର
ନାଇଁ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
और ମୋତେ କ୍ଲାରିଫାଇ କରିପାରନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ନା ମୁଁ କହିଲି
ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମେଲ୍ ଟୁ ମେଲ୍ ମିଶିକି
28.
is good. We expect कि Asian Games qualification भी भी अच्छी
एंड मैं यही ट्रेनिंग करता हूँ एंड मैं बहुत खूब अच्छा महसूस करता हूँ कि मतलब मेरे होम ग्राउंड में ये एशियन गेम्स का क्वालिफिकेशन हो रहा है। एंड जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि उड़ीसा में सबसे बेस्ट प्रिपेयर करते हैं किसी भी कंपटीशन के लिए, एथलेटिक्स या फिर कोई सा भी दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स भी हो, बेस्ट प्रिपेयर करते हैं उस कंपटीशन के लिए ताकि एथलीट आए अपना बेस्ट दे सके। एंड अभी हमारे लिए नया ट्रायल भी बना है एंड यहाँ मैं 100-200 दोनों कर रहा हूँ।
नहीं आप क्या
तो वही है, अब बाकी डिपेंड करता है कैसा उस दिन इन्वायरमेंट हो, कैसा वेदर हो, क्योंकि अभी बारिश का मौसम है तो बोल नहीं सकते, पर टारगेट तो ही रहेगा मेरा।